Hi Janek, let me explain you about the nickname. Here, the nickname. The nickname is a way to change the email address to receive notes and automatically include into the tab notes for this case. Let me explain. There is a little difference with the current TMD way to send or receive notes using the email. Currently on TMD, the address to answer a note for a case is case plus order number at trademarkdirect.co.uk. It's possible because in Trademark Direct is just one company, one firm, and there is only one firm. But here in LogPanel we have multiple firms, not only Trademark Direct. So there is a little problem with that. Let me show you. For example, right now the current logic is case plus case ID at logpanel.com. The case ID is unique, and the case ID is this long number that you can see here. This is the default address for this case in order to send and receive emails. So, but this is not pretty, it's not friendly. I mean, it's very difficult to remember and it says nothing to the final user. That is why the case nickname is here. If you change the nickname, for example, and you write Neo Legal just as a sample, and you say the case, you'll see that the email address now changes, and the email address for this case is case plus the firm tenant. The tenant is this part of the URL. When we finish the training and we migrate the whole data and you start using LogPanel, it will be TMD instead of training. So this is the new logic for cases. Case plus the firm tenant or the firm name, a dot, and the nickname instead of the default. The default is case plus case ID at logpanel.com. But this one is a bit more human readable. The problem is that sometimes we don't have a logic for the nickname, but here on the migration of TMD, what are going to do is change the migrator and the process that creates orders from the internet, from the searches, just to include here the same value of case reference. So for example, all orders or cases are going to have this form, this way to codify the email name for the case. We cannot continue with the previous logic of TMD, this one. even this is the simplest way, the case plus the order number, because another firm, other firm in log panel may select the same order, the same number, and there will be a collision. So this is why we must include the tenant name here before the number, the nickname. But in general terms, the emails for the cases are going to be on this form, for example 00019. This is how the cases are going to look after the migration, the addresses for the cases. Anyway, you can at any moment change this address, just changing the nickname case. If you click there on the question icon, you can see a little explanation of this behavior. Okay, thank you very much, Janek.